levels. Subject is mathematics, paper 1, variant 2. Session is October November 2018. Time allowed is 2 hours. Calculator is not allowed. Calculator must not be used. Question number 1. 1 by 8 plus 2 by 5. 8 5 times is 40. 5 1 times 5. 8 2 times is 16. 16 plus 5 21 by 40. Evaluate. So 4 by 100 times 11 by 100. 4 into 11 is 44 by 4 zeros, 10,000, making it 0.0044. 1 2 3 4. Question 2. 200 grams of spice cost 85 cents. Find the cost in dollars of 1 kilogram of this price. 200 grams costs 85, so 1 kg is 1000 will cost x. So 200x is equals to 85 into 1000. X is equals to 85 times 1000 by 200 to 1 times to 5 times. 85 into 5 is 425, and converting it into dollars is 4.25. You are given that 60 ratio x is equals to 3 ratio 2. So 60 ratio x is equals to 3 ratio 2. Cross multiply. 16 into 2 is equals to 3x. 60 into 2 by 3 is equals to x. 3 1 times, 3 20 times. 20 into 2 is 40. Question number 3. Y is inversely proportional to x. Y is equals to k over x. Given that y is 30, x is 1 by 3. 30 and x is 1 by 3 multiplied on the other side to get k. K is equals to 10. Rewrite the equation y is equals to 10 by x. Find y when x is 5. So 10 by 5, 1 times, 2 times, y is equals to 2. Question number 4. Arrange these fractions in order starting with the smallest. So I'm taking the LCM, and 5, 10, 20, 25, 100. The LCM is 100 for each of them. To make it 100, I have to multiply this with 20 in numerator and denominator both. To make this 100, we multiply both of them with 10. To make this 100, we multiply with 5. 17. 5 times is 85. And times 4, this is 100, and 84 times 2, this is 182. Now you can clearly see the smallest number is 80, so we copy 4 by 5. After 80 we have 82, so that is 41 by 50. After 82 there's 84, 21 by 25, and then 85, 17 by 20, and the last one 9 by 10. Question number 5. Simplify. 4c minus 3 2 times 6c minus plus 15. 4 minus 6 is minus 2 plus 15. So that is 15 minus 2c. Factorize this. So if we take out common, that is 2. 4 minus 5y, and common again, that is 3x. So we're left with 4 minus 5y again. These two brackets are same, so 2 plus 3x times 4 minus 5y. Question number 6. Find f of minus 2. So f of minus 2, we'll plug in minus 2 in place of x and simplify. Minus 4 plus 5 by minus 6 is 1 by minus 6 minus 1 by 6. Find f inverse. Let y is equals to 2x plus 5 by 3x. Now I have to make x the subject. Let of x is equals to y. Therefore, f inverse y would be equal to x. That is why I have to make x subject. Multiplying these two is 3xy is equals to 2x plus 5. Making x the subject. 3xy minus 2x is equals to 5. Take x common. 3y minus 2 is equals to 5. X is equals to 5 by 3y minus 2. Now we can replace x with f inverse y. So f inverse y is equals to 5 by 3y minus 2. The question demanded for x. So substitute y with x and you get 5 by 3x minus 2. Question number 7. In a group of 35 people, 22 are wearing spectacles. 8 are wearing a hat. 10 are wearing a hat. 6 are wearing spectacles and hat. By drawing a Venn diagram or otherwise, find the number of people who are wearing neither spectacles nor a hat. So let's say these are spectacles and these are for hat, and this rectangle would represent your universal set. It is very clear that the value of universal set is 35. Now 22 are wearing spectacles. We know 22 lie in this complete circle. 10 are wearing hat. These are 10. 6 are wearing spectacle and hat both. So very clearly intersection is 6. Now 22 minus 6 remaining are 16. Now we can erase this and you know that total of these two is 22. And 10 minus 6 is 4. Now total was 35 and outside these two is unknown, that is x. So 35 minus all these, minus 16 minus 6 minus 4. 35 minus 16, 6 and 4 is 26. 9. So 9 people are not wearing spectacles or either hat. Question number 8. The diagram shows part of a figure that has rotational symmetry of order 4 about the point O. Complete the figure. Order 4, so it would rotate 4 times in 360, then making an angle of 90 degree each time. So at 90 degrees, try to keep the length and size same. This is a bit longer, please keep it same. B part. In the diagram, 6 small squares are shaded. Shade one more small square to give the diagram exactly one line of symmetry. So square basically has 4 lines of symmetry. What you can do is in exam, place your pencil and see. If you place your pencil right here and see if left right is equal and deficient of 1, that would be your line. So this is not the case. Secondly, this, there are 2, I would have to shade this one and this again 2, clearly not the case. Let's try this third one. Again 1, 2, 3, 4, we'll have to shade 2 on the other side. Now let's try this last line if it works. So these two are balanced. These two are balanced. This is cut in half and yes. So we will shade this part right here to make one line of symmetry. Evaluate the following, giving your answers in standard form. So this is P 8 into 10 raised to power minus 6 multiplied with 2 into 10 raised to power 11. 8 2 times is 16. Basis same. Powers add. 11 minus 6 is 5. Convert it into standard form. And power becomes 6. 1.6 times 10 raised to power 6. P divided by Q 8 into 10 raised to the power minus 6 divided by 2 into 10 raised to the power 11. 2 1 times, 2 4 times, 4 into 10 raised to the power base is same powers, subtract in case of division, 4 into 10 raised to the power minus 17. C part is p cube, so value of p was 8 into 10 raised to the power minus 6, and cube root would mean 1 by 3. Cube root of 8 is 2. 6 divided by 3 is minus 2. 2 into 10 raised to the power minus 2. By writing each number correct to two significant figures, estimate the value of this. So 1200 by 300 times square root 25. 2 zeros, 3 1 times, 3 4 times, so 4 by 5. Question number 11. Here are the first 5 terms of this sequence. Write down the next 2 terms. So this is 3 plus 4, 7. 7 plus 4, 11. 11 plus 4, 15 plus 4. So 19 plus 4 is 23. And 23 plus 4 is 27. And this is table of 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24. And 28. The kth term is 1199 by 1200. Find k. So we know that in the denominator it is table of 4. 4, 8, 12, 16. 1200 by 4 is 300. So this is 300th term. Find an expression in terms of n for the nth term. In denominator it is clearly table of 4. So 4n, and numerator is each one of it is 1 less than the denominator. So 4n minus 1. Question number 12. Each interior angle of a regular polygon is 175. Find the number of sides. So exterior would be 180 minus interior. This is 180 minus 175. Exterior angle is 5 degrees. So number of sides is 360 by exterior angle. So 360 by 5, you get 72. So this is 72 sided polygon. Question number 13. The scale diagram shows two islands at A and B. Scale is 2 centimeter to 1 kilometer. Write the scale 2 centimeter to 1 kilometer in this form. So 2 centimeter ratio 1 kilometer, convert them into same units. This is 100,000 centimeters. Both sides cancels out, and both sides divided by 2 is 1 ratio 50,000. By measurement, find the bearing of B from A. So bearing if B from A is this angle. So just use your protectors to find this angle and subtract it from 360, and your answer should range between 286 to 289. An island at C is on the north side of A. Of AB. So let me zoom out. If it is on north side of AB, this should lie somewhere here above this line, and it is 3 kilometers from A and 2.5 kilometers from B. So 2 centimeters is 1 kilometer. If it is 3 kilometers, using this ratio 2 centimeter ratio 1 kilometer, so for 3 kilometers it would be 6 centimeters. So from A it is 3 kilometers. You open your arc for 6 centimeters. Open your compass and draw the arc for 6 centimeters. Then it is 2.5 centimeters from B for 2.5 kilometers from B. That would be 5 centimeters using the same scale. So open your arc from B and mark it for 5 centimeters. The point where they intersect is C. Use a ruler and a pair of compass to construct and then draw these two lines and you get your A, B and C. Question number 14. The diagram shows the triangular prism. The measurements are in centimeters. On the grid below, complete the accurate drawing of the net of prism. Do not draw outside the grid. Okay, now I can see that this is 4 by 4. So clearly 4 by 4 is this side on the right. And then this is 3 and 4. So my triangle of 3 and 4. So the triangle at the back must also correspond to the given shape. Now we have these 4 shapes already there. This is 3 by 4, which is 3 by 4. So my landing of 5 by 4 is left. So this is 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And that's it. Use scale and pencil only. Find the total surface area of the prism. So it's your choice from where you want to solve it. This is 1 by 2 times 4 into 3 for the first triangle plus 1 by 2 into 4 by 3 for the second triangle plus a box of 4 by 4 another box of 4 by 3 last box of 4 by 5 making it 6 plus 6 plus 16 plus 12 plus 20. Adding all of them, you get 60 centimeter square. Question number 15. Each week, Henry records the number of units of gas used in his house and the mean temperature outside. 10 of his results are shown in the table. On the grid, complete the scatter diagram. The first 5 results have been plotted for you. So at 4.4, this is 4.4, it is 600. So 4.4 and 600, 5.6 against 500, 6.8 against 560, 6.8 and each one is of 10 units. This is 560 against 9, it is 410, 9 and 410, 10.6 it is 320, 10.6 this is 300 and 1 to 330, 320. What type of correlation does your scatter diagram show? So we can clearly see on moving right, one side is increasing, the other is decreasing. So it is a negative relation. Draw the line of best fit on the grid. Use your scale, adjust it and see if half of the points lie above the line and half lie below the line, and it should somehow look like this. Let me make another attempt. Okay. Use your line of best fit to estimate the number of units used for 1 week when the mean temperature outside is 7.6. So at 7.6, I can see that it used 405 units. Read it from your line, whatever answer you get from your line of best fit. Question number 16. Find the possible values of x given that x is an integer. So these are two inequalities. Write them separately. 15 is less than 2x minus 3 first, and 2x minus 3 is less than 22 is the second inequality. 15 plus 3 less than 2x, 18 less than 2x, 18 by 2 9 is less than x. On the other side, 2x is less than 22 plus 3. 2x is less than 25. X is less than 25 by 2. X is less than 12.5. So your answer is, it ranges from 9x and 12.5. Possible value of x if it is an integer. So it lies between 9 and 12.5. First number is 10, 11 and 12. Question number 17. Bag A contains 3 black and 2 white beads. Bag B contains 2 black and 4 white beads. A bead is chosen at random from bag A and placed in bag B. Chosen from A and placed in B. A bead is then chosen at random from bag B. Complete the diagram. So if black is chosen, it is placed in the next bag. That becomes 3 black and 4 white. So this is how it is written. Again, black is chosen and it is placed in this bag. So what would the probability to choose white is 4 out of 7. There's another way. These two should total to 1. Then white is chosen and placed in the other bag. If white is chosen and placed in this bag, this would be 2 black and 5 white. So for black and white, black is 2 by 7 and white is 5 by 7. Find the probability that a black bead is taken from bag B. Black from bag B are these two chains. So 1 and 2. 3 by 5 into 3 by 7. Into 3 by 7. Plus the other chain is 2 by 5 into 2 by 7. Simplify for the answer. 3 times is 9, 7 5 times is 35, 2 times 4, 35 again. Take the LCM. 9 plus 4 is 13 out of 35. Question number 18. In the diagram, A, B, C, D and E lie on the circle. A, B, C, D, E, 5 points. AB is parallel to ED. AB parallel to ED. ABE 62. CDE 127. BEC is 40. Find X. So X lies exactly here, and if you see these 4 points B, C, D, E, B, it is a cyclic quadrilateral. So these two are opposite angles of cyclic quadrilateral, making them supplementary. X is equals to 180 minus 127, that equals 53. Second is Y. So when we're looking at Y, let us get rid of this. When you're looking at Y, see this chord BC, and these are two angles which lie in same segment. So Y is equals to 40. Angle in same segment. Then we are looking for Z. Y is 40. Now this is Z right here. So now we use these two parallel lines to see for these alternate angles. 62 is alternate to this. So 62 is equals to 40 plus Z. 62 minus 40 is equals to angle Z, and Z is equals to 22 degrees. Question number 19. In the diagram, PQ intersects LM at O. On the diagram, construct the locus of points that are equidistant from PQ and LM. PQ and LM. In order to do this, we should draw angle bisector. So place your needle here, mark these 2 points, lift your needle of compass, place it here, mark it again, place it here, cross it again. So you get one of the lines, place your ruler and draw the line throughout on both sides. Just extend this line backwards and then again draw it for POM, angle bisector of POM. Mark it at 2 points, lift your needle, do the same and extend these lines. The locus of point that are equidistant from O and Q. O and Q. Now these are 2 points and locus of 2 points is equidistant locus of 2 points is perpendicular bisector. Open your compass more than half, mark on both sides, place at Q, mark on both sides and draw the perpendicular bisector. Question number 20. P is the point -34, Q is the point 5,1. M is the midpoint of PQ. So x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2, 5 minus 3 is 2 by 2, 4 plus 1 is 5 by 2. So 1 comma 2.5. Find the gradient of PQ. So gradient is y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. So let it be 1 minus 4 over 5 minus 3. So 1 minus 4 is minus 3 by 8. Gradient is minus 3 by 8. R is the point 60, O is the point origin. Which of the point R or P is closer to O? So this is minus 60. OR is equals to change in x square plus change in y squared whole square root. So that is 6. And OP, coordinates of P were minus 3, 4. The other are 0. So clearly it is minus 3 square plus 4 square whole square root. 9 plus 16, 25, and this is 5. So P is closer to O than R. Question 21. Evaluate. 9 plus 1 is 10. Find n where 4 is to power n and this, so making it 2 square becomes 2n. Comparing powers on both sides, 2n is equals to n minus 1, 2n minus n is equal to minus 1, so n is equals to minus 1. Question number 22. Universal set is given, P is given, Q is given. List the members of P intersection Q. So we have 0 in common and the other number is 2 in common. Find n P complement union Q. P complement should be all the elements other than 0, 1 and 2. So this is 3, 4, 5 and 6. Q. So now we make them union 0, 2, 0, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So these are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 in total. Answer is 6. Such that z is equals to 2x plus y and x belongs to P and y belongs to Q. List the members of R. So let me consider that x is 0. So 2 into 0 plus at that time y could be 0 or y could be 2. Next value, let us consider x is 1. At that time y could be 0 and when x is 1 y could be 2. Third possibility, when x is 2 y could be 0 and when x is 2 y could be 2. is 6. So different possible values are 0, 2, 4 and 6. 0, 2, 4, 6. Elements separated with a comma represented in a curly bracket. Question number 23. Express this as a single vector. So just simplify 2, 1, 3 into plus minus 3 into minus 1 is 3, minus 6 plus 2, 0 times 0 minus 4. So 2 plus 3 is 5, 1 minus 6 is minus 5, minus 9 is minus 4 is minus 9, 5 minus 9. B part, a row into column, 2 into 0 plus minus 1 into 3. A row into column, minus 2 minus 1. A row into column, 2 times 4 plus 3. Minus 3 and 7. Minus 3 minus 3 7. Question number 24. A train travels between two stations starting and finishing at rest. For this journey it accelerates uniformly from rest for the first 30 seconds until it reaches a speed of 20. So it started at rest for the first 30 seconds until it reaches a speed of 20. And this is the first section. Travels at a constant speed of 20 for next 60 seconds. 30 plus 60 is 90. Reaches a time of 90 and slows down uniformly in the last 20 seconds. So 90 plus 20 is 110. And it slows down to come to rest at 110. On the grid, draw the speed time graph done. Calculate the distance between two stations. So distance is basically the area under the graph. So area under graph, this is a trapezium. It is your choice. You may split them into different shapes. 1 by 2 into sum of parallel sides. This is 110. And this is 60. Sum of parallel sides times height is the distance between them. 20. 110 plus 60 is 170 times 20, 1 by 2 to 1 time to 10 times 170 into 10 is 1700. So the distance traveled is 1700 meters. Question number 25. In the diagram ADB and ACF, ADB and ACF are straight lines. BC intersects DF, BC intersects DF at E. AC ratio CF, AC ratio CF is 2:1. DB is P, DE is 3Q, EC is 2Q, AC is 3P plus 5Q. Express AB in terms of P. So AB could be AC plus CB. AC plus CB. AC is 3P plus 5Q and CB is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 minus 5Q. And we are left with 3P alone. AB complete is 3B, so this must be 2P. Express CF in terms of P and or Q. CF. So this is 2:1. So CF is actually 1 by 2 of AC. 1 by 2, 3P plus 5Q. So this is 1 by 2, 3P plus 5Q. Express EF in terms of P and or Q. So EF is EC plus CF. EC plus CF. EC is 2Q and CF is already there. This is 3 by 2 of P and 5 by 2 of Q. So this is 2.5 and 2. 2.5 and 2 is 4.5. That is 9 by 2Q plus 3 by 2 P. And I'm taking out 1 by 2 is common. So we're left with 9Q plus 3P. Now take out 3 common is 3 by 2. 3Q plus P. 3 by 2. 3Q plus P. EF is K times DE. Find K. So EF is already there. Let us copy it. This is 3 by 2. 3Q plus P is K times DE. So when we look at DE, DE is P plus 3Q. So this is P plus 3Q. And they are clearly equal. So K is equals to 3 by 2. Thank you so much. Take care. Do not forget to subscribe.